Hey, what's going on? I'm Jeremy.
Hey, morning. Anderson here.
Hey, Anderson, is there any way to show, like, if you wanted to give a message specifically to staff members or customers within the brokerage?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have this thing in the TMS called System Alerts, where you can alert, your your internal staff or customers that use the TMS to show them, like important messages regarding, whatever the message, may be. So for example, if you go to admin tools, you go to System Alerts and you can create an alert.
Mhm.
So let's just say, for example, I have a message here regarding, port workers and truck stoppage, California. Give it a name. Say you can put a start date. If I want to put the start date as today, put an end date of, you know, tomorrow or whatever it is. You can choose a priority. It's no priority, low priority, high priority. You can just choose who to display it to, both internally and your customers or just internal. For this one, I'm just going to choose internal and save. And then now, whenever someone logs in, they'll see this here. They'll see the alert. Red is going to be high priority. And let's say I have I have another alert that I want to show, and I change the priority. So
I
because
see.
it's, you'll see the different colors due to the priority. So this is a really good way to, just kind of get a message out there to, everyone using the TMS, whether it's internally or to your customers.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's just a way of keeping like everyone on the same page internally and with your customers. Well, thanks for tuning in for this week's edition of TidBits. We'll catch you next week. See ya.
Have a good one.